Welcome back, travel enthusiasts. Today we're unlocking the secrets, the hidden gems to mastering air travel, making every journey smoother. Beyond just getting on a plane and reaching your destination, even frequent flyers miss out on crucial hacks and insider tips that could save you serious money and hard-earned cash, time, and unnecessary stress. Imagine breezing through airports effortlessly, always getting the best seats available, and never overpaying for flights ever again. I'm about to reveal 5 game-changing flight hacks and secrets most travelers unfortunately get wrong. By the end, you'll be a seasoned travel pro. Let's dive right in. First up, booking flights at the right time. It's a crucial aspect of travel planning that many overlook, often leading to unnecessary expenses. Mastering this skill can significantly reduce your travel costs, allowing you to allocate your budget to more enjoyable aspects of your trip. Most people either book way too early, thinking they're securing the best possible deal, or wait until the last minute, hoping for a miraculous price drop that rarely materializes. Both can cost you big. These common mistakes stem from a lack of understanding of how airline pricing works. Airlines use dynamic pricing, so fares change constantly, based on demand, seasonality, and even the time of day. This complex algorithm aims to maximize profits for the airline, often leaving travelers confused and frustrated. Booking too early often means paying a premium. Airlines initially set higher prices to capture those eager to secure their travel plans well in advance. Booking too late usually means sky-high prices. As the departure date approaches, available seats dwindle, and airlines capitalize on the urgency of last-minute travelers. The sweet spot? Finding that perfect window of opportunity is the key to unlocking the best flight deals. For domestic flights, book 1-3 months out. This time frame typically offers a balance between availability and reasonable prices. For international, 2-8 months. The longer lead time accounts for the increased complexity of international routes and the higher demand. But always track prices for your specific route. Don't rely solely on general guidelines. Monitor the specific flights you're interested in. Use price alert tools like Google Flights or Skyscanner to monitor fares and get notified when prices drop. These tools send you automatic updates, saving you the hassle of constantly checking prices manually. Flexibility is key. Flying on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, or Saturdays is usually cheaper than weekends. Weekday flights tend to be less in demand, resulting in lower fares. Avoid peak seasons. Shoulder seasons offer better prices and fewer crowds. Traveling during these periods allows you to enjoy your destination without the overwhelming tourist influx and inflated prices. Don't ignore alternative airports nearby. Sometimes a short train or bus ride can save you hundreds. Smaller regional airports often have lower landing fees, which translates to cheaper flights. Budget airlines can be great, but watch for hidden fees on bags, seats, and more. These additional charges can quickly add up, negating the initial savings. Always do the math. Factor in all potential costs before making a decision. Clear your browser cookies or use incognito mode when searching. Some sites hike prices if they see you're interested. Airlines and booking sites use cookies to track your browsing history, potentially influencing the prices you see. Don't just book the first flight you see. Take the time to explore different options and compare prices across multiple platforms. Compare, track, and be flexible. These 3 elements are crucial for securing the best possible flight deals. Mastering flight timing is about strategy, not luck. It requires a proactive approach and a willingness to invest time in research and planning. Use the tools, do your research, and you'll save enough for another trip. The savings can be substantial, allowing you to travel more frequently or upgrade your travel experience. Stop letting airlines outsmart you. Book smarter, not harder. By understanding airline pricing strategies and utilizing available tools, you can take control of your travel budget. Remember, the right timing can make or break your travel budget. It's a critical factor that should not be overlooked. Don't play chicken with airline pricing. Plan ahead and win. Proactive planning is the key to securing the best deals and avoiding last-minute price surges. Let technology do the heavy lifting for you. Utilize flight booking apps and price tracking tools to automate the process and stay informed about price changes. Be flexible with dates and airports for the best deals. Consider flying on different days of the week or into alternative airports to maximize your savings. Avoid rookie mistakes. Know the rules and you'll always come out ahead. Understanding airline pricing strategies and booking tactics will give you a significant advantage. This one tip alone can change your travel game. By mastering the art of flight timing, you can unlock a world of travel opportunities and save a significant amount of money. Alright, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of airplane seating. Where you end up sitting can genuinely make or break your entire flight experience. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about how comfortable or uncomfortable you are along the way. So don't just blindly accept the default seat assignment the airline gives you. Take control of your journey. Window seats are often prized for their stunning views and their sleep-inducing potential. You can lean against the wall and drift off. Aisle seats, on the other hand, are best for those who value easy access to the lavatory, or simply like to stretch their legs frequently. As a general rule, avoid the middle seat at all costs, unless you absolutely have no other choice. It's a universally acknowledged truth that the middle seat is the least desirable. Legroom truly matters, especially on longer flights. Before you finalize your booking, always check the seat pitch, that's the distance between rows, to ensure you have enough space to stretch out comfortably. Keep in mind that some airlines are notorious for cramming seats tighter than others, so do your research. Also, be aware that not all seats recline equally, and some may not recline at all. If you're hoping to catch some Z's, avoid rows directly in front of exit rows or those at the very back of the plane, as these seats often have limited or no recline. Consider the proximity to lavatories and galleys, as these areas tend to have more noise and foot traffic throughout the flight. If you're a light sleeper, choose your seat wisely to minimize potential disturbances. Exit rows are a double-edged sword. They offer coveted extra legroom, which can be a lifesaver on long flights. However, they come with certain responsibilities and restrictions, and they can sometimes be colder due to their proximity to the exit door. Before you make your final decision, always check the aircraft layout using helpful tools like Seat Guru. This will give you a clear picture of the seat configuration and potential drawbacks. Bulkhead seats, located at the front of a cabin section, have the advantage of no one reclining into you, providing a more spacious feel. But keep in mind that you'll lose underseat storage space, and you might find yourself seated near bassinets, which could mean dealing with crying babies. For those prone to motion sickness, sitting over the wings can minimize the sensation of turbulence. If securing overhead bin space is a priority for you, choosing seats toward the back of the plane might give you a slight advantage, as these passengers often board earlier. Conversely, if a quick exit upon arrival is your main goal, aim for seats closer to the front of the aircraft. Ultimately, it all comes down to prioritizing what matters most to you on a flight. Is it ample legroom, a quiet environment, a swift exit, or captivating window views? Don't leave your in-flight comfort to chance by simply accepting whatever seat you're assigned. Take the time to do your homework and research your options. Investing just a few minutes in research can truly mean the difference between a miserable, cramped journey and a comfortable, enjoyable one. Utilize seat maps and online reviews to proactively avoid those dreaded worst spots on the plane. Take a moment to really think about your individual needs and preferences before you make your final seat selection. Don't just click randomly and hope for the best. Be strategic and deliberate in your choice. The right seat can completely transform your flight from a chore into a genuinely pleasant experience. Make your seat choice count and ensure it aligns with your priorities. With a little planning and research, you can ensure you never have to settle for a bad seat again. Now let's fix your packing. Overstuffed bags and surprise fees? Not anymore. Aim for carry-on only. Save money, skip baggage claim, and avoid lost luggage. Packing light means less stress and more freedom to move. Overpacking is the biggest mistake. Pack only what you'll actually wear. Make a packing list a week in advance to avoid last-minute chaos. Know your airline's baggage rules. Measure and weigh your bag before you go. Roll your clothes to save space and reduce wrinkles. Use packing cubes for organization. Go for travel-sized toiletries and follow the 3-1-1 rule for liquids. Solid toiletries like shampoo bars save space and skip liquid restrictions. Choose versatile clothes you can mix and match. Stick to neutral colors. Wear your bulkiest items on the plane to save space in your bag. Always pack essentials. Passport, meds, chargers, a change of clothes, in your personal item. If you have to gate check your bag, you'll still have what you need. Packing smart isn't about deprivation. It's about efficiency. Challenge yourself to pack lighter next time. You'll love the freedom of traveling unencumbered. No more dragging giant suitcases for just-in-case items. Travel light, travel smart. Make packing part of your travel strategy. Enjoy the journey, not just the destination. Airport security doesn't have to be a nightmare if you know the tricks. Prep your liquids in a clear, quart-sized bag and keep them accessible. Dress for security, slip-on shoes, minimal jewelry, and easy-to-remove belts. Keep electronics at the top of your bag for quick removal. Don't argue with TSA. If in doubt, ask or declare items. TSA PreCheck is a game-changer. Shorter lines, no need to remove shoes or laptops. Get it if you travel often. For international trips, Global Entry speeds up customs and includes PreCheck. Many travel credit cards reimburse the application fee. Check yours. Organize your bag so you can quickly access what needs to come out. Pay attention to TSA instructions. Rules can change by airport. Be ready before you reach the conveyor belt. Boarding pass and ID in hand. Move away from the screening area to reassemble your stuff. Don't block others. A little preparation makes security fast and stress-free. Don't be the person holding up the line. Think ahead. Use expedited programs if you qualify. They're worth every penny. Stay calm, stay organized, and you'll breeze through. Security doesn't have to ruin your trip. Make it part of your travel routine. The right habits save you time and hassle. I've gone from curb to gate in under 10 minutes. So can you. Master security, and you'll start every trip on the right foot. Travel smarter, not harder. Now let's unlock the magic of frequent flyer programs. These programs, offered by airlines and other travel companies, are designed to reward customer loyalty. By understanding how they work, you can accumulate points or miles that translate into incredible travel benefits. Imagine free flights, upgrades to luxurious cabins, and VIP perks that make your travel experience seamless and enjoyable. We're talking about skipping lines, relaxing in exclusive lounges, and experiencing a level of comfort you never thought possible. One of the biggest mistakes travelers make is to scatter their points across dozens of programs. It's tempting to sign up for every loyalty program you encounter, but this dilutes your earning potential. Instead, focus on consolidating your points within 1 or 2 airline alliances to rack up rewards much faster. This strategic approach allows you to reach elite status and unlock even more valuable benefits. Consider Star Alliance, SkyTeam, and oneworld. These are the 3 major airline alliances in the world. Together, they cover most major airlines and global routes. Pick the alliance that best fits your travel style, preferred destinations, and the airlines you frequently fly. Achieving elite status brings real perks that can significantly enhance your travel experience. Enjoy priority boarding, which allows you to settle in and get comfortable before the rush. Say goodbye to baggage fees with free bags, relax and recharge in exclusive lounge access, and accelerate your earning with bonus miles on every flight. Always watch out for expiring miles, as they can disappear if you're not careful. Keep your account active with small transactions, like online shopping through the airline's portal, or redeem a small number of miles to extend the validity of your entire balance. Many programs now reward you based on ticket price, not distance flown, so understand how your spending translates into points. Take the time to thoroughly know how your program works, including earning rates, redemption values, and any hidden rules. Redeem points strategically for high-value flights like long-haul business class or first-class tickets to maximize the bang for your buck and experience true luxury travel. Don't ignore partner airlines within your chosen alliance. You can often use your miles across the alliance for more flight options, destinations, and better availability, opening up a world of possibilities. Airline credit cards can supercharge your earning potential, providing a fast track to accumulating miles. Use them for everyday spending to earn miles on everything you buy, but always pay off your balance monthly to avoid interest charges. Look for sign-up bonuses and perks offered by airline credit cards like free checked bags, priority boarding, or even companion passes that allow a friend or family member to fly with you at a reduced cost. Take advantage of airline shopping portals and dining programs to effortlessly earn miles on purchases you'd make anyway, from everyday essentials to restaurant dining. Don't waste miles on low-value redemptions, such as domestic economy tickets or merchandise. Instead, save for those dream trips to exotic destinations or luxurious first-class suites. Track your points balance and set reminders so you never lose them to expiration or forget to use them before a devaluation. Aim high. Business and first-class awards are within reach if you plan strategically and consistently accumulate miles. Loyalty programs are a powerful tool that can unlock incredible travel experiences. Use them strategically to your advantage. Stop leaving free travel on the table by neglecting your loyalty programs. Learn the rules of the game, focus your efforts on a select few programs, and you'll be flying for significantly less, or even for free, opening up a world of travel possibilities. This is how savvy travelers win at the loyalty game and experience the world in style. That's it. 5 flight hacks most travelers get wrong. Ready to make your next trip smoother, cheaper, and stress-free? What's your best travel tip or biggest mistake? Drop a comment below and let's help each other out. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more travel tips and adventures. Thanks for watching. Your support means everything. Now go book smart, pack light, breeze through security, and rack up those miles. Safe travels!